It is well with my soul. It is well with my soul. Though Satan should buffet, though trial should come, let this blessed assurance control, that Christ hath regarded my helpless estate, and has shed his own blood for my soul.
On Tuesday, the second day of April 2024, all roads in Anambra State and beyond led to Eziora Ozobolo in Ekwusigo local government area of Anambra State for the burial ceremony of Ezinne Caroline Uchechukwu Orushene Mba, also known as Odibeze. The burial service held at the deceased country home attracted litany of priests and the laity, as the deceased was a devout Anglican mother who left her footprints on the sands of time in the Christendom.
Lord, you are the ever-faithful God that has the capacity to console those that have come to you morning. Lord, we present before you. Lord, at a time like this, come in your fullness of grace. Come with your mercy in fullness and bless this family and console them with your loving kindness. Console them, Lord, with your indefatigable grace.
In his immortality, he lives forever. And whosoever that trusts in him, whosoever that believes in him, whosoever that holds him, he will protect, he will guide.
Mama lived an exemplary life. During her lifetime, she was a very committed Christian. She also has a particular seat where she sits anytime she comes to the church.
United we stand, divided we fall.
Her family, she's not my children, she's a loving mother. And we all are missing her.
Mama is our matron, she's our mother, and she's our Ezinne of the church with so many honors. In fact, she's a woman of faith.
Chineke onye kere gị n'aha Jesus Christ onye hụrụ ahụ n'aha mmụọ nsọ onye na-edo gị nsọ ka izuru ike gị bụrụ izuru ike udo ka ebe obibi gị bụ na Paradise nke ndị nsọ Chineke.
So Candy, Tunde, who did at that time, he cared of us.
My mom is a very sweet woman. She's a Christian, she's a philanthropist.
She's the kind of woman that accommodates everybody and she prays so much.
I'm daughter-in-law, we just treat her as my daughter. What she cannot give to her daughter, she will give it to me.
I'm from childhood, we live together. I miss her advice. I miss the time she normally bathed me during my kid days.
I don't even know what to say. Even when I was facing challenges in my marriage, for one day my mother have never taken me to any herbal. All she keeps doing is prayers. She will tell you, Mom, Adam, be calm with God. You are going to have your own child.
She used to do everything for me and I love her so much.
She used to believe in everyone and she trusted in us.
She's a woman of substance and also she cares about people.
Even anytime when you are sick and she hears that you are sick, she will not be happy until you hear that you are okay.
After committing the remains of the late Ezinne to Mother Earth, sympathizers including in-laws, relatives, friends and well-wishers thronged the compound for condolence and last respects.
No matter the age, you will still be your mother. I will say, Kalodi, Ongi, Yeni New, Obron New Yeni.
What you do?
Let me upload.
What's a good do, Bonina?
I'm happy.
Kedere mo jack na south.
Nyaka I went to Kailan on yellow town.
If I was taking you, you will Ito also. Ila bawanne.
It has happened. Let him have a good heart with his family, with his brothers, with his relatives. God continue to bear the loss of their mother. Understand? So, at the right time.
To create this event,
as much as I can, no 100 years, no 120.
We should go since yesterday.
I know you go here, man. Here the grace. On that easy happen. I experience here 2015. Up to now. All these, but
my crew member from
South Africa.
Now we don't know what it to be.
But my girlfriend, they turn me on. That's why I hold on tight. Hold on, yeah, yeah. Hold on tight. Hold on, yeah, yeah. That's why I hold on tight. Hold on, yeah, yeah. Hold on tight. Hold on, yeah, yeah.
As a woman whose presence in their lives, the children say, was a beacon of love and comfort, the burial was indeed a celebration of life well lived, as all in attendance were treated with class, courtesy of the children. Ezinne Caroline Uche Chukwu Oruche, who died at 81 years, is survived by many children, including Chief Christian Obumneme Oruche, High Chief Nze Chineme Nwachukwu na Amaloji, and host of other relations.
Oh,